Today, I'll show you how to unblock someone in AOL Mail. Whether it's a friend you accidentally blocked or a contact you need to reconnect with, unblocking an email address is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Let's dive into it. First, you need to navigate to the top right-hand corner of your AOL Mail workspace. This is where you'll find the gear icon, also known as Settings. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options. It's your gateway to customizing your email experience, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with these settings. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, go ahead and click on More Settings. This will take you to a new area where you can make more detailed adjustments to your AOL Mail preferences. It's a bit like the control center of your email account, offering a range of options to fine-tune your experience. Now, shift your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll find the Settings navigation sidebar. Depending on your account's layout version, you might see either Security and Privacy or Filters. Click on whichever option appears in your sidebar. This is the section where you can manage the security settings, including your list of blocked senders. In the center panel of this section, you'll find the blocked senders list. This is essentially a compiled list of every email address you've previously decided to restrict from your inbox. It's a useful feature for keeping unwanted emails at bay, but sometimes you need to make a few adjustments if someone is blocked by mistake. To locate the email address you want to unblock, you can either scroll through the directory or use your browser's search function. Searching can be a real time saver, especially if your blocked list is long and you're looking for a specific contact. Once you've found the email address in question, hover your mouse cursor over their email row. Here, you'll notice a trash can icon or possibly an X symbol next to their name. Clicking this icon is your next step. It's a simple action, but it's the key to removing them from your block registry. As soon as you click the icon, AOL Mail will immediately delete the email address from your block list, and just like that, you've unblocked them. They will now be able to send you emails, and you can start receiving their messages again. Remember, unblocking someone doesn't notify them, so if it's someone important, you might want to send them a quick email to let them know they can contact you again. This simple guide should help you effectively manage your blocked senders and keep your inbox running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other resources or reach out for support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life. Happy emailing!